Greetings, we're going live. We have Asia here, our little assistant. She's here in the herb garden, and we're going to demonstrate to you how to take this green pepper, which it's going a little bad. What I can do, she's standing on top of the compost. I can put it in the compost, but I'm going to take the seeds and show you how to take the seeds and recycle them in this dirt. So Asia's going to help me. Here, Asia. Put the dirt. I have my helper. See, you get them young. See her? She's only one. But she's a little helper. She's great. So we're going to dig up this dirt just a little bit. See those yummy worms in there? You don't need that much. I'm going to take about that much out to the side. Okay, you see that? All right, now you see these? This is a bad green pepper. So I'm going to take the rest of the part that's bad and put it in the compost. But I'm going to take these seeds and I'm going to put them in there. She's helping. She's helping me put the seeds in. Okay, hand out. Okay. And we're going to take those all and we're going to just let them all go in. Every little seed. See the seeds running in? You want to get every seed. There's more. See? And you want to put those just right down in your dirt. Let it down in there. Okay. Asia, she would love to put her fingers in this. See her? Because babies love mushy stuff. She loves it. See her digging? Isn't she a great assistant? You see? Right in her mouth. That's that oral stage. Okay. So we're going to leave that in there. And we're just going to, and what you see? Cover it up. Cover them up. And all you have to do now is just add a little bit of water. You just add a little bit of water to that and you keep it in the sun. I'm going to put it here. This is where the sun comes every day. I'm going to water it along with my other stuff that I grow straight from the pots. This is all my potted stuff. And once this really grows, what I'll do is I'll take that and then I'll put it here in the garden. Once it grows up out of here, I can transfer it here with all this beautiful loveliness that's here. Okay? So now we're going to see what we do with the last piece of this. So we're going to take this now, because nothing goes to waste when you're a gardener. When you're into gardening and stuff, nothing goes to waste. We have a few there. But now we have our infamous compost that we throw in there, and it's going to do its thing. All the food, nothing goes unrecycled. So that's going to turn into dirt. Okay? And this now is going to grow and become simply amazing. Just so amazing. So in the event you are looking to grow your garden, only thing I can tell you is to plant a seed. Yes, indeed. So your garden can look like that. Look at all that good food. Okay. And this is the only way. I got to go get my little helper, because if I stay in the camera too long, she will move on to the next episode. And here she goes. Yes, my little helper. And her name is Asia, and she's amazing. And the same thing goes for everything in your garden. I'm going to show you some baby mangoes that I have put here. And that all came from a seed that I planted, and you can plant it too. Same thing with the moringa and all this stuff, the goodies that I have here, the banana and the lemongrass, and of course this sugar cane. I recycled it and I started off with this right here. You see this one right here? This is a baby one coming. I started this maybe 3-4 years ago, and I'm always getting sugar cane. So, like I said, all you have to do is plant a seed or recycle food. You can recycle ginger, you can recycle turmeric, onions, scallion, green peppers. In the event your stuff goes bad, you can always recycle it. It's about recycling. It's about planting your own food. That's what it's about. And I have my little helper. Same thing with these coconuts that you see. That's a baby coconut. And it's all what I do in my garden. I leave these down, and then they recycle themselves and they bust open, and voila, you have coconuts. Now tell me that's not amazing. And then of course my famous aloe garden, and then my famous pineapple and aloe garden. Look at all that aloe, baby aloe, pineapple. This one bared last year, so I hope some of these there. And there's another baby coconut. So if you're in the mood, because spring will be here next month, I'm here where wintertime is summertime in the wintertime in sunny Florida, Miami, and the Sunshine State. So that's how I have the opportunity to do such wonderful, great things. So I just want to take this opportunity to give you some tips and to show you what you can do for yourself when you need to plant food and recycle. You can recycle anything that has a seed in the food that you eat. That goes for onion, that goes for scallions, carrots, all the bottom of it. You can just replant it and do it. And I will show you each time, because I'm here to help you get that garden going. So let's just take another recap of mine, and it will stay on your mind. Peace.